Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make tea light candles at home. First, gather your materials: wax, wicks, tea light cups, a pouring pitcher, and a thermometer. Soy wax is a popular choice for its clean burn, but paraffin also works well. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get crafting. Next, it's time to melt your wax. Use a double boiler to gently heat the wax, avoiding direct flame. Keep a close eye on your thermometer. Aim for a temperature around 180 degrees Fahrenheit for most waxes. While the wax melts, place a pre-tabbed wick in the center of each tea light cup. A wick holder can help keep them perfectly straight. Once your wax is melted and your wicks are set, it's time to pour. Slowly and carefully fill each tea light cup with the hot wax, leaving a small space at the top. Let your candles cool undisturbed at room temperature for several hours or even overnight. After they've fully hardened, trim each wick to approximately 1/4 of an inch. This ensures a clean, even burn. Now your homemade tea light candles are ready to light up your space. For an extra touch, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the melted wax before pouring. Store your beautiful new candles in a cool, dry spot to maintain their quality. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy the warm glow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.